Boy, it is amazing how many people are getting more and more into doing things with their hands, being creative, doing woodworking. At the same time, I can say that a lot of people are also feeling that FOMO type of experience, feel like they're missing out on something. Well, they are, but they feel that because they don't believe they have enough room, it's too expensive to get into woodworking, or they just don't have enough time. Well, let me introduce you to something that addresses all of that. The Shopsmith Power Pro 7. This is a complete woodworking system. The single most fun tool in anybody's shop, the tool that you can knock out the most projects in the quickest fashion ever, is the wood lathe. But this is the real creative tool. Come back around here and let me show you what the smart touchscreen does for us. I'm going to hit lathe. I'm using a piece of software to practice on. It's about a 2-inch piece. So again, there's no guesswork. In any lathe turn, it starts by rounding. The Power Pro just sets the proper speed for rounding. Again. This is having fun on the Shopsmith lathe.